when your full mental and emotional body are activated, these are the 3 chakra systems of the astral body. They will unite the 7 chakra systems, and you will transition into operating in the astral body, where the first 7 chakras will become obsolete. As soon as you sit down into meditation, they will naturally activate and the Kundalini will run through it. This will become so second nature. It will become natural. Then, the first chakra at the bottom of the astral body, second chakra of the astral body, and the third. The first one will unite your first, second, and third chakras into one. So what will happen is these 3 chakras will become one chakra in the back. We're always focused in the front. We need to start focusing in the back, because the light enters through the back and emanates out in the front. So the first 3 chakras will become one. That means you have solidified and unified your personality, the lower 3 centers of physical desires. So now your glands in the body are much more stable and balanced. Then the heart center, the solar plexus, the heart, and the throat chakra become one in the back of the heart. Then the back of the head, which is the pineal activation fully, and the brain and the glands in it. This is the throat, the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th chakra. The 7th really doesn't exist. The 6th and the 7th are part of one. So these 3 chakras will unite. So now you have created 3, 6, 9, right? And we go up higher in vibration, you'll connect the other 3, 6, 9 chakras. So when we go up here, when we get up to the 12th chakra system, the 12th chakra system is just unification of the personality of the astral plane and a merger into the higher self now. The bridge between the seraphim, which is the angelic light that you are. We are the fallen angels. So the seraphim has 6 wings. They emanate from this space here. The 6 wings. 2 to cover their feet, 2 to cover their body, and 2 to cover their face. What it means is that this electromagnetic field is fully activated, and it spirals around you at such a high velocity that no negativity can sustain itself. Now you're raising vibration to a higher dimension to communicate and to be open in the field of the angelic realms. Angelic realms meaning the 5th dimensional existence of reality. That is where the Syrians, Arcturians, the Palladians, archangels all start to unite, and now you're not only just getting glimpses of visions, but now you're bringing that energy into this reality and you're operating in this reality with them. Now they're under your flow. There are angels that wait for your command to receive command, and there's angels that work to give you some guidance. And we start to unite those worlds.